making our own pizza. Okay. You need more cheese, but I'm put my bullet plate. So she doing 1 cheese and 1 pepperoni, right? Yeah. So you have to put more cheese over. I put cheese for the next one. Remember, me have to make Pele one. Cause Mr. Pele outside and so me must make this. He ain't learning how to cook. Give me some back in this. That's the code. He ain't learning to cook, so I'm gonna make his. So she doing the pepperoni now. Yeah, overcrowded with pepperoni.
Want it taste good?
Right. Wow, looking good. Alright, no more pepperoni. So 1 cheese and 1 pepperoni. So, what you say? Pizza gonna taste good? Yeah, right. So she said. Alright. So we're gonna make a pizza. So guys, we use the tortilla dough to make the pizza. Here. So make the same thing. I make 1 cheese and 1
pepperoni.
Eh?
Pepperoni more.
You want pepperoni too?
So 2 pepperoni.
You want cheese 1 and a pepperoni 1 inside.
And you're gonna make 1 cheese and a pepperoni for yourself.
1 cheese and a pepperoni for me as well.
Everybody 1 cheese and a pepperoni.
I guess.
I just show you never have it again. You know, I want chicken wings and put on here and make chicken pizza.
Alright, so
put in on your cheese. And then here is the pepperoni.
Put it around in a circle. May I put it around in a circle?
My one look good.
And then miggle. There we go. 1 cheese and pepperoni. Yes guys, so this is Pele one with Rinsley. And this is hers. Okay.
I'll picture my dip on.
Here you are. Pizza all ready. Let me see hers. Yeah, there's hers. Yeah.
Look pretty.
So, you love it?
Yeah.
Job well done. Pele, see a pizza here. So those put them in your plate now. Are you good? Yes, guys. So that's them pizza. Pizza Friday. Pizza with the kiddos. Yes, guys. So that's what we're actually doing. So I'm gonna call my phone and ring. I'm gonna see. Pizza there, Pele. See there already to be here. Pizza nice. So get here and stuff there. And eat. So now I'm taste some pizza. I wouldn't already eat. I have live stream. So as soon as I come off live stream, I make mine. So I'm make my taste in the one. Yes, guys. So what's up, guys? What's up? Yeah. So in the kitchen again. Yeah. Okay. Alright. So yesterday, let me show you we don't make pizza. We had pizza night. That was Friday night, and tonight we're having burger and veggies night. Tonight, okay, guys. Yes, so veggies in the pot. Okay, yeah, you guys can see veggies in the pot, frying, and preparing the burger to make it. Yeah, I'm gonna start them on the platter. Yeah, so as soon as we're done with the veggies, then you know it's time for the burger. Alright, guys? Yes. I put it in this one here. Now that's the one here. It's a you put black pepper. Let's eat up this, put it on him. So you know guys, me for put garlic powder on mine. Yeah, that's what I love. She go put black pepper on fear. That's what she love. Like, see? Everybody eat. Right. See them. Black pepper. Yeah. So yes guys, at this time we were enjoying our burger and watching a movie, you know, just chillaxing with each other and just having a good time. Yes guys, it was fun. It was two fun night, Friday night and Saturday night, doing pizza night and burger night with the kids. So it was fun. I enjoyed it and they enjoyed it as well. Okay guys, yes, so thanks for watching. Okay guys, just finished having dinner. Yes, um burger was good. Yes, so was pizza last night. Really good. I enjoyed making it with Tati. So yeah. Okay guys, so I will see you in the next vlog. Remember to like, to comment and to subscribe and to become a part of Denny's Lifestyle and Beauty Vlog family, which I call the Deal family. Okay guys, yes, and remember to share me out, you know. Yes, and I'll see you in the next video. So now I go take a bath. You know what, I'm actually going to do a nighttime routine here, because I'm gonna take a bath and show you what I do right before I just jump into the bed. All right, yes, I'm going to do a nighttime routine. So bye, I'll see you in my next video.